Hi guys, this is English 103 Composition and Critical Thinking Online. I am Nuala Mary Linka, aka Nunu, your English professor. We are in week 10 of the 16-week semester, which is week 2 of our 8-week class. What are we up to this week? Let's find out. I'm going to go into Canvas, into our English 103 class. I'm here in home. And I wanted to remind you on this first screen, welcome to 103, Composition and Critical Thinking. If we scroll down the screen, we see handy links to learn what we are doing in class by one, clicking on FAQ or Frequently Asked Questions here, and also clicking on Modules here. Now, Modules is also in the left menu here, right below Home. And this is a super important link, which is why I have another link built into Modules right here. Modules is really the only link you need throughout the semester. Let me click on it. Modules has all of our lesson plans with links to all assignments and readings throughout the semester. They're all here and accessible to you. I'm going to ask you not to work ahead and not to do assignments ahead of time, but you can definitely look at them and find out what we're doing if you want detail. Okay, so last week was week 9 of the semester, which was week 9 of the traditional 16-week semester, but week 1 for us. It was October 22nd through 28, 2018. We had these assignments due here. They were due October 26th and the 28th. You needed to have completed them. We are now in week 10 of our semester, week 10 of the traditional 16-week semester, but our second week, October 29th through November 4th, 2018. You have 2 assignments that are due, November 2nd and November 4th. I have a lot of assignments due during the weekend for your convenience, as I know that a lot of you work, as I did when I went to college, so I'm trying to make that easier for you. However, some assignments are due, such as the online thought journal. They are due by Friday, and you need to be aware of these dates, okay? So everything in modules that you need throughout the semester, all the links to the lesson plans, the readings, they're all here. I'm going to use the back arrow now and go back to home. And I'm going to point out other items in our left menu that are useful to you. Of course, we have home where I am now with the links that will help you, FAQ, frequently asked questions, and modules. Below home in the left menu, we have the actual link to modules. We also have our syllabus, which is our overview of the class. I'm clicking on it here to access it, clicking on open, and here is the syllabus here. And I bring it up with the table of contents that you can read through. And number 5 is of interest to you, assignments and grading. It's all in numerical order right down here. So everything you need to know is here. And here are our assignments and grading. Below it, something that will be of interest to you is my general essay rubric, how I grade. Okay, I'm going to go back into the course syllabus tab. I'm using the back arrow to go back into home, and I'm looking at the 4th tab in the left menu, which is grades. Now, this is extremely important for you because how I grade your assignments, all my notes to you are here. You would click on grades and then click on the link to your assignment to read my notes. Okay, I also have pages here, which is all the information I store in our classroom to readings and different things are here. I have links built into pages, usually in the assignments, but if you can't find a reading, you could always go into pages to find it here. I also have Canvas tutorials. If you're unfamiliar with working in Canvas, you definitely want to click on this link and learn how to participate in discussions and work inside this online classroom. I also have the Office 365 link, which is a link to all kinds of handy apps that you can use to help you to succeed in this class. And of course, I have the Quest for Online Success, which is information about how to be successful in an online classroom. Okay, so all of that is here, and don't forget about these handy links I have down here in home to the FAQ and to modules. All right, I'm going to scroll up and I'm going to go back to my PowerPoint presentation, click on it, remind you what we discussed in this short note to you. Of course, we're in English 103, Composition and Critical Thinking. You know I am Nuala Mary Linka, aka Nunu, the name I prefer to go by if you're comfortable with that name. We are in week 10 of the 16-week semester, and I went, which is week 2 of our 8-week class, and I went over our lesson plans for this week. All right, so have a good week, and remember, I'm always available to you in inbox or during my office hours, which are Monday and Wednesday from 9:30 to 10:50 in general classroom building 210D. Where my classroom is and where I am located is, of course, written in the syllabus. All right. Have a great week. I want your success in this class. I want it to be fun and useful to you and meaningful outside of this classroom. I want to teach you knowledge you can put in your pocket and take out and use in the real world, okay? I don't want to teach you junk. So any suggestions you have for me, or if you just want to chat, talk to me. I'm in inbox and I'm ready to listen. All right. So let's have a good week and be safe and happy.